Hey everyone, welcome back to Serenity Soaps by Aki. My name is Aki and today I'll be giving you a bath bomb recipe. I'll also be giving important information about colorants later on in the video. Our first ingredient will be baking soda. We'll be adding 200 grams of baking soda. Make sure you're using a sifter through this whole process. Next, we'll be adding 100 grams of citric acid, the Milliard brand because it just works better. And then lastly, for the dry ingredients, we'll be adding 50 grams of cornstarch. Now we're just going to sift all the ingredients together. I will be using blackberry sage fragrance oil from Nature's Garden and Candles. We'll be adding 13 grams of this. I know the scale looks dark. It's on. Look, it's an old scale. I'll be upgrading soon. Then we'll be adding 7 grams of unscented bubble bath. This particular recipe does not have water, alcohol, or witch hazel. Yeah, I can't use those ingredients for some reason. I live in Georgia and it's very humid down here, and whenever I use those ingredients, it's just a disaster. Like, the bath bombs just stick in the mold and it's just not pretty. So yeah, we're just going to slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix it really well. You'll see periodically I will grab a bunch and squeeze it in my hand and check to see if the mixture stays together. Once the mixture is to the point where it stays together, that's when it's, the perfect time to mold. Now I'm going to be adding my color powder, and this is where I talk about colors. I specifically chose the color blue because I wanted to tell you guys, never ever use blue mica in bath bombs, and I will tell you why. Actually, don't use blue or green mica. The reason is because green mica has an ingredient called chromium green oxide, and blue micas have an ingredient called ultramarine blue, and they are not good to soak in. Like, just don't do it. Basically, check the description from whatever supplier, and it'll say if it's lip safe or not. If it says it's not lip safe, that means it's not bath bomb safe. What I use to color my bath bomb and the salts here blue is I used an FDA batch certified blue #1 dye. And to get the salts to have that blue shimmery mica look is I dyed it with the blue dye. Then I added a shimmery eco glitter. Now I'm going to show you how these bath bombs perform. I really enjoy this recipe. It makes really nice foaming bubbles that stay around for a long time. I would love to hear how this recipe works for y'all. And thanks for watching.